Morning. We just stayed over last night at the Holiday Inn Express, and we are now at Bicester Village. I've been here for I think 7-8 times, but still every time when we arrive here it's like coming home, you know. Anyway, now we're heading to Cotswolds village. It's an old town village. I think it's going to be interesting. This is going to be a 36 days UK drive around. Alright, cheers. We're now at Cotswolds. Look at this place. Now we're at this place called Stow-on-the-Wold. It's another old town, which is like a neighboring town from Cotswolds. But unfortunately, today is raining. But not important. As long as there's still light, we will just walk.